Hi, doctor. So, our patient this morning, he presented to the ED a couple of days ago with COPD exacerbation, and this morning he's complaining of acute leg pain.
Okay. Well, let's get an ultrasound right away, and then I'm going to go check his medication records to see if he's on any kind of blood thinners.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
Okay, so the ultrasound did show that he has a DVT in his leg, so I ordered a blood thinner right away.
Okay.
I also went and checked his medication orders, and the emergency department physician did not prescribe any blood thinners to the patient initially. And I'm not sure why they didn't, because this is typically something that the hospital does for all
Right.
patients that are admitted to the floor. There was no contraindications in his medical record as to why he shouldn't have received any heparin or enoxaparin or blood thinners. So I went ahead and I did that, and I guess we have to talk about why this happened in the first place.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, doctor.
Sounds good.
Okay, guys. Thanks for meeting again today. So, as you all know, it's been about a month or so since we had that sentinel event on one of the units in the hospital. And this is being our third meeting. We've already done our lit review, we've done an audit on patient records, and we did a great job and made some great headway doing our fishbone and looking into root cause analysis last time. So where do you guys think we go from here today?
I mean, this event was partially my error. I should have checked the patient's medication orders as soon as he was admitted to my floor. And I definitely should have noticed that he wasn't on any sort of DVT prophylaxis. Not sure why I didn't see that, and I mean, I should have questioned that to begin with. Maybe we could figure out a way to prevent this going forward in the future.
I believe I can create a protocol in our program by using automatic reminder to assess a VTE risk or assist in correct prescription of prophylaxis, which will remove the element of human error from VTE prophylaxis practice. So,
I think there should definitely be an admitting order and an order set protocol for all patients seen in the hospital, regardless of the unit. And if you could do something in our EHR system, that was really kind of what we got at the end of last meeting. I think that would be really helpful.
sure. Yeah.
So once that order set is in place, I would like some sort of alert so that the pharmacy department can fill the prescription as soon as possible for every patient.
No problem. I can set up a red flag protocol for that.
How about a reminder set or a red flag protocol, just like you said, for the nurses on my unit? It would be helpful if they had a reminder on which patients needed this DVT prophylaxis protocol.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I will add that too as well. So, yeah.
I think these EHR system reminders are really going to be helpful. But how long do you think this might take to actually develop and implement with the IT department?
Not that long, just a few weeks to develop this software, I think.
That's great.
Well, when we're ready to roll out the system, I think my unit's a good way to trial it. There's not too many patients, low risk, and maybe we can do 2 or 3 patients at a time. That way we're not affecting the whole hospital just in case this goes haywire.
I think that's a great idea. We could do a sort of trial run on one small department and then see how it works from there.
Yeah,
Sure.
work out any kinks and then see how we can scale it up and talk about education from that
Perfect.
point forward.
Okay, so we'll meet back here in a few weeks and discuss kind of everything that's going on.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Great.
Great.
Keep us
Sounds
posted
good,
if
guys.
you have any holdups in IT, but we'll meet.
Great.
if you need.